Welcome once again guys in my YouTube channel. Maligayang pagdating sa aking channel. Today we're going to unbox and review Bosch Professional, and this is GSB 180-Li. Today we're going to unbox this Bosch, the Professional Bosch, and this is the battery drill, 18 volts, and the model number is GSB 180-Li lithium battery, and it comes with extra 12 bits, and it says here plus 33% of the batteries. Okay, let's go into okay, here is it. Okay, it comes with a warranty card. Here is our manual, guys, if you want to read it, and the price is $196 times that to 35 for Philippine peso, times nyo lang sa 35, yan ang kanyang presyo. And the charger, and here's the warranty card. And they said I have a 6 months warranty. So bago natin siya ipadala sa Pilipinas, gamitin muna natin dito. Okay, 2 battery. Oh, this styrofoam. And here is it. And take note, meron siyang carbon brush. And here is the charger and the freebies, drill bits. And take note, this is 50-60, so it's safe for the Philippines, because here in my place 50 hertz here. And the battery, we're going to insert this here. Okay, for charging, blinking. If fully charged, it will stop blinking. And the other one, okay, the battery, guys, is 2.0 ampere hour. If you're gonna use this, you can use this for 1 hour. I'm gonna show you guys the voltage of a fully charged battery, and this is rated 18 volts, and positive to positive and negative to negative. Set your multimeter to DC, and we're going to make sure. Sukatin natin, guys, negative sa negative, positive sa positive. Ayun, nakasukat tayo ng 20.6 volts para sa fully charged na battery. Sa mga lithium batteries, meron siyang depth of discharge na hanggang 80%, meaning magagamit natin unit up to 80%. And here is it, what it looks like inside. So we have different types of screwdriver here. So it has a number here. Drill bits for wood. It has a 5 pieces and 6 pieces for masonry drill bits, and here is the drill bits for the metal, and you have a handle here for these close rings, and the close rings have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 also, and with adapter. And Bosch Professional is known for its durability, so for durability purpose, you go buy for this. Under the product features, guys, we have 1, 2, 3 up to 12, and until here is 14. So let's start, guys, with the number 1. The number 1, guys, is here is the tool holder, guys. And to open this tool holder, just press this directional switch and press the on off switch and hold the keyless chuck, and let's try to open and enter this again, another. Okay, then we're going to enter this, then the rotational switch we're going to press here, there, clockwise operation. Yan, nasa clockwise na yan guys. Then hold this keyless chuck and that's it. So number 1, tool holder. Number 2 is the keyless chuck, and keyless chuck from 1.5 to 13 mm you can insert here. And number 3 is the torque selection. Ito guys, 1 hanggang 20. Ito yung torque, ito yung lakas niya. Alin man ang piliin natin dito, make sure na yung torque nyo is nililipat-lipat nyo rin. Para sa light, if you use this for Gibson, just use the screwing and set it to number 1. A little bit, if you want a little bit more torque, use here, but make sure to use the lowest, which is the number 1 for light materials. Okay, for the speed, number 2. And number 4 guys is the mode selector switch. And here's the mode selector switch. Here once again, here's the arrow. Ito yung arrow. Ayan. At kapag mag-i-screw lang tayo, i-select lang natin siya. Ayan, mag-i-screw tayo. Pag ginagapan natin sa mga Gibson at faring ang kanyang patibay, number 1 nyo lang guys, speed. Ang speed ng number 1 is mahina, ang speed ng number 2 is malakas. Now that we said that, we're going to test. So we start from number 4. Now I have with me here a screw inserted here. So to unscrew that one, I'm going to press this for the counterclockwise operation, and I'm going to press, and here is it, it's being removed. Now if I'm going to insert that, I'm going to press this for clockwise operation, and take a look. For screwing, there is it. We're going to screw it. Just aim there and select. Okay. Here's the arrow. We're going to use the screw. This little one here, I'm going to screw it here. Ito guys, in-screw lang natin dito. Okay, para hindi mo over tighten, use the number 1 speed in screwing. Yan, gamit yung HS na Allen key niya. Pwede natin gamitin to sa bicycle. Sa auto, meron tayong mga tools. Ratchet. And take a look. Under the number 4, we select this for drilling. For drilling wood, 5. We use the drill bit for the wood, and I'm going to test the biggest for the wood. But here you can use also, guys, just in case you're going to install doorknob to the door, whatever you want to do to this drill, you can do it. And here is it, drilling, making hole. And next, and under the drilling we can use also to drill to make a hole here, metal. And this metal, I'm going to use also the metal drill bit, and here is it. Making hole with the new drill bit is make easy as long as you know how to use this. As easy as that. Yan guys, napadali niya binutasan dahil manipis lang siya, at the same time bago yung talim, at ang drill natin is 18 volts. And take note, naka number 2 tayo doon. Yan. With masonry drill bit. Here the masonry drill bit. And for wood, if we choose the drilling, for drilling guys, we have to drill bit. We're going to use two drill bits. This is for metal and this is for wood. So that's the purpose. And next is the 5. Here the 5 guys is the high and low. Next is number 5, and number 5 is gear selector. Masonry, i-try natin itong masonry guys. At meron ako dito tox na number 6, therefore number 6 din ang gagamitin natin. We're going to use this number 6 mm drill bit for masonry. Okay, and tighten. And take a look. Ayan. Sinubran siya ng konti. One. We're going to reverse. And using the screwdriver here. Hold the chuck. Screw it. Okay. Don't forget to change. Okay, screw. And hang. It's all done. At para sa mga solar installer, ito ang kailangan natin. Okay, usually sa roof ang ginagamit nila is number 6 or number 10. So gamitin natin yung adapter nya. All you have to do is insert the adapter here. Okay, to do that, reverse. Okay, and take the number 6 or number 10. Then you now begin to roofing installation or solar railing installation. Close range niya is 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13 mm. And here's the adapter. And if you want to install it manually, meron din siyang handle here. Ito yung kanyang handle. And 5 is gear selector. Okay, here. Number 5, here is the gear selection. So, meron siyang number 2 at number 1. Ito yung speed naman. So, take a look for the number 1. And for number 2. Okay. Number 2 is fastest. And number 6, guys, is the cover lid. Here's the cover lid for the brush. Yan, kabilaan yung brush niya. And then, number 7 is the battery. Number 7 is the battery pack. Ito yung kanyang battery pack. Ito yung battery pack niya. This is the battery pack. And number 8, guys, is the battery unlocking button. Here, the battery unlocking button. So all you have to do is just press that one. Okay, all you have to do is press and release. Okay, that is the battery unlocking button. Okay, to insert that, just slide that and push. And next, number 8. Number 9. Number 9 is the working light. And take a look. If I'm gonna press this, the LED will light up. Okay. The number 10 is a rotational direction switch. Okay. Rotate. This one, if I'm gonna press this facing to me, this is counter operation, counterclockwise operation. Okay. If I'm going to press here and it goes to me, this is the clockwise operation. There is it. And next, guys, is the 11. The 11 is on off switch here. Number 11, on off switch. And number 12, here, the number 12 is the handle. Here, the handle. Okay? Yung kamay natin, yan, handle. Number 13 is universal bit holder, and here's the universal bit holder. And number 14 is the carbon brushes. If you're gonna open this one, the carbon brush is located here. Okay, we're gonna use this and to open the carbon brush. Okay, if you wanna see the carbon brush, since this is under warranty, just use this holder and counter. Okay, but since this is under warranty, I'm not going to open this, otherwise my warranty will get void. That's all for now, guys. If you're new to my channel, please follow me by clicking the subscribe button and click the notification bell so I'll be updated just in case I have new upload video. Thanks for watching. Until then, God bless. Maraming salamat. Arigato. Terima kasih.